Here's what a practical visibility roadmap can actually look like moving forward. So this is what your visibility roadmap should look like. Visibility growth doesn't happen overnight. Follow this proven roadmap to build trust, momentum, and market leadership. So let's look at the foundation. What you need to try and accomplish in the next 30 days. Build a strong foundation of accuracy and responsiveness. And you do this by claiming and optimizing your Google Business profile. Ensure accurate business information and respond to every review, positive or negative. Add photos and services and establish a posting rhythm. And the outcome? You'll become trustworthy and easy to choose for customers. The second thing is to focus on momentum for the next 31 to 90 days. Increase activity and engagement to build momentum. Generate more 5-star reviews. Post updates and photos regularly. Engage with customers and the community. Monitor performance and trends. Refines based on insight. And the outcome? You'll build momentum and outpace your competitors. The third thing is leadership. Sustain growth and dominate local search. You want to maintain high review velocity. Create content that educates and builds trust. Leverage insights to improve customer experience. Strengthen engagement signals and turn your existing customers into advocates. This way, you'll become the obvious choice in your local market. So here are the roadmap best practices. You want to be consistent because consistency beats intensity. Small, steady actions compound over time. Focus on customers. Make every interaction easy, helpful, and human. Measure and adapt. Track what matters. Adjust what doesn't work. Stay ahead. Keep improving, and competitors will follow your lead. Visibility growth is inevitable when consistency becomes part of your business practice. And when companies stay consistent long enough, the results become very noticeable. Real results, real visibility. HVAC contractors who stay consistent see more phone calls, more trust with customers, and stronger growth. So what can you expect? Increase in phone calls, increase in review volume, increase in website traffic or customers visiting your website, and increase in customer engagement. Consistent trust reinforcement creates measurable business growth over time. More engagement leads to stronger trust with consumers. Consistency improves your customer retention. Now, we all know HVAC companies love repeat business. Momentum creates compounding business advantages. The HVAC companies that are investing now in visibility are building long-term market position. Consistency creates results because consistency creates trust.